Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Lutz Hörnschemeyer and I would like to introduce you now to the FerroTec FT10. The FerroTec FT10 is ideally suited for locating buried ferromagnetic objects such as manhole covers, valve spindles or valve boxes. The set first of all includes the FerroTec FT10 magnetometer itself. The ergonomic, balanced and robust housing offers a high level of comfort. It is ideal for left and right-handed users. The integrated flux gate sensors are highly sensitive and thanks to the acoustic and optical signal output enable precise locating of objects. Interference fields can be effectively suppressed. The set also includes charging technology and operating instructions. The robust carrying bag offers space for a FerroTec FT10 including charging technology and ensures optimal protection during transport. The FerroTec FT10. Fast, comfortable and precise.